For this recipe, you will need half a cup of oats, 2 quarts of water, 2 to 3 dates, or 1 tablespoon agave nectar, or 1 tablespoon maple syrup. So first you'll need a blender, and you can use a high-speed blender like I'm using here, or you can just use any blender, and you'll just add your oats into the blender along with whatever sweetener you choose. I really love adding dates in, but you can definitely use agave nectar or maple syrup. And then you'll add in your water. And then you want to blend that on high for about 1 minute. And next you will just need to strain your milk out, and so you can either use a nut milk bag, or if you don't have a nut milk bag, you can actually use a fine mesh strainer, and that will work just fine. And then you'll just want to go ahead and strain your oat milk using whatever strainer you choose. And then the last thing you can do is totally optional, but if you would like, you can add a little bit of vanilla flavoring to yours, or whatever kind of flavoring you like. I definitely love the vanilla, especially with this oat milk. It makes it taste so good. So I just add about a teaspoon of vanilla to our oat milk, and then I just like to shake that up, and then you'll just keep it in an airtight container in your fridge, and it will keep for about 2 to 4 days. I find with our family we run out of it within 2 days, so I make it again every 2 days. But it is so quick and easy to make, and it is so inexpensive as well. So I highly recommend trying to make your own oat milk. We love having oat milk as just a drink, or we'll just add it into our smoothies or shakes, and we will also just use it with cereal. It is so good. Anyway, we've tried it. It is so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you end up making it, definitely tag me over on Instagram because I would love to hear how you like it. And do not forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you.